Hey, what's up you guys? It's your boy Taylor Grant with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Okay, today's comes to us from Sherry of Greeley, Colorado. I incurred wind damage from severe thunderstorms on 2 separate occasions which ripped off shingles from my roof. After submitting my claim, it would take the insurance company 2 to 3 weeks for them to come out to even investigate. I had over 100 shingles damaged, yet insurance company only wanted to piece my roof together instead of replacing it. I hear this all the time. And it's not fair, right? It's just not fair. Do you have a piecemeal roof before the storm? If you did, maybe it is fair, but if not, not so fair. Let's see, they have gone as far as sending out investigators, not their claim adjusters, to question me. Recently, we encountered another serious thunderstorm that produced high winds and hail, and I submitted another claim for my roof. I waited for 3 weeks for them to come out again. In the end, the insurance company sent me a letter stating I submitted a claim for the damages that took place 2 years ago that they denied, and now we all know the insurance company is horrible. They delay, deny, defend. Yes, they do that. If you're in a situation where they're not paying your claim fairly, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. The sooner you contact us, the better it is for you, because the more options you have based on your policy, based on state laws, things like that. So if the insurance company is not paying your claim fairly, contact us today to allow us to see what we can do to help you. But ultimately, if they're trying to piecemeal your roof together, and that wasn't like that before, that's not what we call indemnification. If you have the right policy, you must be made as good or better than before the loss, depending on if you have like a replacement cost value policy, which most of the time I recommend for my clients. If you are fighting them and they're not paying the claim fairly, or they're underpaying the claim, or they denied the claim, or they're delaying the claim, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.